I have stitched it, and this is the bottom side. Here I have made loops, and then you starting from the loops. Here I am making 3 double crochet, 3 chain, go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet, and make 3 more double crochet in the same loop. And then go to the next loop, and here you make only 1 single crochet, and then go to the next loop and make 3 DC, three chain, go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet and 3 more double crochet in the same loop, and then go to the next loop, and here you make 1 single crochet. You repeat same stitch, same pattern in this round. You make this pattern only in the bottom side of the loop. I have finished my self stitch pattern. This is the bottom part of the purse. You can attach one liner in this purse, inside your purse. This is the front part of the purse, and this one, that on the back side. I am starting from back side. I am attaching my favorite color thread, orange color. First you fold in equal parts. This is the center. You start 1 stitch left. Here you attach your yarn. Join it with slip stitch, and then you skip the first stitch, very first stitch, go to the second stitch, and this is the center of the bag. Here you make 1 half double crochet, two half double crochet, 3, 4, and 5. And then you skip the next stitch, go to the second. Here you join it with slip stitch. And then you go to the next stitch with single crochet and turn your work and make one single crochet in the every single stitch. And then you join the next stitch with slip stitch. And make 1 2 3 chain, 2 chain, count the first half DC. And you skip the next stitch and go to the second and make one slip stitch and turn your work and make one half DC in the same stitch, then one chain and go to the next stitch and make half DC. You make 2 half DC in the same stitch, one chain, go to the next, make 2 half DC. Repeat it. One more half DC and skip the next stitch, and go to the next and join it with slip stitch and cut your yarn. And then join the another color thread, go to the first stitch, before stitch and the here you join it, you make one single crochet in the every space between the 2 half DC stitch, you repeat it. I have made one single crochet in the every space and then here join it with slip stitch and 2 more chains and skip the very first stitch, go to the next and here you make one slip stitch and turn your work and make one more DC stitch in the same space, the same stitch, and then 2 chain and skip the next stitch and go to the next and make 2 daisy in the same stitch. You repeat it. You can change your color of yarn in every row. You repeat it. Here I have joined it. This skip the 2 stitches and here I have joined it with the slip stitch, and then 1 chain and turn your work and make 1 single crochet to the every stitch. Repeat this stitch in this round. Then you attach another color thread. And more half daisy in the same stitch, and then 2 chain and skip the next 2 stitches, go to the 3rd stitch and make 2 half daisy, then 2 chain you skip the next 1 2 3 stitch and go to the 4th and make 2 half daisy, 2 chain, and then skip the next 3 stitches and make 2 half daisy in the same stitch. Repeat same stitch in this round. Hello friends, I have made this 2 half daisy, 2 chain in the previous round. After that you make 1 single crochet in the every stitch, and for last round you go to the back side of the bag, and here this is the very first stitch of the back side. Here you join your attach your yarn with slip stitch, then you skip the very first stitch. This is the second. Here you make DC stitch, 3 DC in the same stitch, then 1 2 3 chain and go to the 3rd chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet and make 3 more DC in the same space, same stitch. And then you skip the next 2 stitches. This is the third stitch. Here you make one single crochet and then you skip the next 2 stitches. Make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 single crochet in the third chain from your hook, and 3 more single double crochet in the same stitch. And then you skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch. Here you make one single crochet. I repeat same pattern in this round. I have completed my shell stitch, and then you make one single crochet in the every stitch, and this is the you make all around your purse. Hello friends, I have finished my crochet wallet. This is very colorful wallet, and you attach one buttons in the center of your wallet. And you can put your money in this beautiful wallet, and you can make it, and this is the very simple and unique pattern for beginners. Thank you.